Unpack all the pieces from the box and lay them out on a carpeted surface. We recommend that you read the instructions to show you the easiest way to assemble your Pamco cot. Lay out all the hardware and check against the list of what is required to assemble your cot. Take one cot end and place against the cot base. Ensure the long nylon strips on the cot ends are facing the front. Insert a bolt through the cot end and the barrel nut into the base hole. Follow on with the second barrel nut and bolt. Once you have successfully attached the first end, repeat on the other end. Collect the hardware for the fixed side and place the side in the right position with the grooved side near the top. Insert the bolt through the cot end and line up the barrel nut. It's easier with a screwdriver. Tighten all bolts securely and remember to check them every 6 months. Once you have the fixed side attached, take the drop side and position with the clips fitting onto the long nylon runners and the name badge facing outwards. Lining up the 4 drop side clips at the same time is easiest with 2 people, but can be done by yourself with care and patience. Ensure you pull back the spring-loaded piece on the bottom clips before sliding up the rail. Do not force this action. Once the moving side is on, screw a button into each leg to prevent the side dropping off again. When the base is in the lower position, it is very important that you insert the filler screws and caps to prevent baby inserting a finger into the top holes. Remove the plastic cover from the name badge. To attach the wheels that come with your cot, tip the cot over and line up the wheels and just give them a gentle tap to stay in. To use the moving side, stand sideways to the cot, lift the centre of the top rail, push with your lower leg and allow it to lower. To raise, just grip the side and pull it up until it locks into place. And remember to check all around your baby's cot to ensure there are no cords, rope or any other items within reach that may cause baby harm. Store the Allen key and assembly instructions somewhere safe for later on. Thanks very much for buying Pamco.